beautifuls, welcome to my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. So guys, I have my Eyescream beauty box. This is a monthly subscription here. This is $25 and you get 5 to 7 different beauty products in this monthly subscription. So this is the box for the month of October 2023. We're going to get into this thing and see what's in here. So I like this box because it has all the color in it, which is my favorite. So guys, October, this is our little information card that we receive in here about the products that's in the box. And it says Scream Queen is the theme for this box. I'm a little scared. It says Scream Queen, so I don't know what they expect in this box now. So we'll see what's in here and have some fun while checking out this box here. So let's see what is in this month's box. Let's get all this popcorn out of here. So we'll start with this first one that I put my hand on. So the first thing I pull out is this looks like a OFA Highlighter. Love OFA products. So that's good. Which one is this one? This is the let's see. Rodeo Drive is the color that we have here for this highlighter. Let me pop it open so you guys can see it better. So there's no glare. So this is the color. This is pretty. This is really pretty. So this is Rodeo Drive. This is the anniversary edition, guys, for the highlighter. This is valued at $22. And it says Glow didn't exist before Rodeo Drive. This offers the #1 fan favorite champagne highlighter. So $22 for this highlighter. And let's take a swatch because why not? I don't have any brushes in here. I would just put this on myself, but ooh, 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 that's it. So let's see what that looks like. I'll put it over here next to this prior swatch. Just ignore this other swatch that I have on my hand. So this is a swatch of the highlighter. So it has a nice shimmer to it. Look, really nice. I like that. I love OFA products. So she makes such great products. They make great products. So happy to pick this up. Nice. So let's see what else is in here. So the next thing I'm pulling out is a Delancy product. Now we did get a palette from them, or what? No, was it a palette? We got something else from Delancy last month. Maybe it was an eyeshadow. Okay, so this one here is liquid blush that we have from Delancy. This product here is valued at $25, and it says this is a smoother product where you only need a small amount. Just 2 or 3 drops and you kind of blend this out and that's enough. So I like liquid blushes though. Well, I like the cream blushes, but I've been wanting to try a liquid one for a while and was hoping they would send one into us. So this is the color for the liquid blush here. And what color is this? Does it say what this is? It doesn't say the exact color of this blush. That's what I was looking for. Oh, here it is. It is Arturium After Moon. That is a very strange name for a blush, but okay. So this is what it looks like, and I'm just going to do a swatch over here, and like they said, only 2 or 3 drops. So I just did a little dot just so we can kind of see how this would blend out on me. It's a pinky too, a nice pinky. I like that because it looks like you can build it up so it's not too heavy. But that's a nice pinky. I think that's a nice pinky. What you guys think? I think that's nice. So that'll be fun to try out. So let's see what else is in here. What is this here? We have Beauty Creams Color Base. Is this oh, this is a primer. Dare to be Bright. So this is the product here, guys, and this is called is this Blackout? Is that, yeah, it's Blackout. So Blackout color base primer by Beauty Creations is valued at, it doesn't say $65. It does say $65. Oh, wow. I've never heard of this. So Blackout is the color. I've never heard of this, and this is such a small amount. So what does this say about this Blackout? It says this is the most affordable item going out into the box. Okay, it's not $55. Sis need to get her some reading glasses. It's $5. I was say, how is this $55 or something I've never even heard of? So guys, this is $5. It says this is a must for any makeup collection. You only need a small amount. It can be used on the eyes, face, lips. It's our favorite application for the eyes and as an eyeshadow primer. So I think that's really good. And it says Blackout adds dimension to metallics, shimmers, and duochromes, but it's not too intimidating as it seems. Okay, so I think that's pretty cool. I love a good primer. Always need these, so that's cool. I'm not even gonna bother opening it because it's a primer, so it's really no point. So let's just see what else is in here. Alright, we got two more things in here. Let's go with the small one first. So we have Illuminati. I don't know what this is. It doesn't say on here. Let's see what our packaging says. Illuminati Cosmetics. This is a $20 lip gloss. So what is the color though? This is a weird color. I would say, yeah, this is definitely right on for Halloween. But yeah, this is like a weird color. Yeah, it's a very strange color, I would say. I would never really wear this. I guess I would have to try it out. Maybe it's not as intimidating as it seems like it is. But it says this is a color-changing lip gloss. A color-changing lip gloss. Now I'm very interested. So it says that this lip gloss is absolutely magic. It appears green until you apply it to your skin. And it will change to a pink, but yeah, it will change to a pink that changes depending on your pH of your skin levels. Oh wow, so it's a color changing lip gloss. Now if I didn't have lip gloss on already, I would try this out. But this would be interesting. So it turns pink. So it's I would never pick this up thinking that it would do that. So that's pretty cool. So let's see what else is in here. So we got our last item in here. Yeah, our last item is a eyeshadow palette. This box always comes with one. And this is by the Wicked Widow. I've never seen this one in a box before. So this one is valued at $36. Wicked Widow Cosmetics. This is called the Graveyard Smash. Now that's interesting. The Graveyard Smash is what this is called. Oh my god. And it says we're excited to introduce Wicked Widow Cosmetics into our box. This is a beloved indie brand and is loved by so many. The palette features 4 mattes, 2 duochromes, 2 shimmers, and it says this is a magnetic palette that can be organized, so you can swap out the shades of any other square pan at any time by the Wicked Widow Cosmetics eyeshadow shades. Okay, that's interesting. So this is how she opens. Oops. So we drop that out. I'm flipping the mirror back so you guys can see. So this is some interesting colors. I would say more of a pop than I was expecting. Yeah, I like the colors in here. I think that'll be fun. Really fun to kind of play around with. You got like, yeah, this is fun. And then they have names for them too. I'm sorry, I'm turning them the wrong way. Y'all can't even see the names on here. So the names are Harvest Horrors, Fright Night, Thrills and Chills, Groovy Ghouls. We have Bewitching Bride. We have Weird Waltz. And we have Monsters Mash and Freaky Frank. Okay, so very interesting names. Some nice colors to have fun with. You can do a lot with these, especially for the month of October, Halloween. if you celebrate Halloween and you go out and you dress up, I think you can have some fun with this one here. Maybe I'll do another video using a try on all of this stuff to see what I come up with on my looks. So I think I might do that next to see how I like all of these products we got this month. So guys, in review, we got the Wicked Widow Graveyard Smash eyeshadow palette. We have what is this one called again? The Blackout. This is by what company is this again? This is by Beauty Creations, a $5 primer, face primer. We have this Illuminati Cosmetics. This is their color changing lip gloss valued at 20 bucks. We have the OFA Cosmetics. This is their Rodeo Drive highlighter. And we have Delancy. We have their liquid blush. So that was it for our box. Again, the Eyescream box is a monthly box, $25 for the month. You get 5 to 7 different beauty products, and I thought this was a good one. I really want to try this one. I want to see what color pink it turns. But I thought this was like a really fun one for the month of October 2023. If you guys picked this up, let me know if you guys started creating some looks out of this box yet. But yeah, I think I might come back and do another try on and showing you guys what I create with this box here with the makeup. I always think it's interesting to do this one. But guys, that's it for my video for today. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you thought about this box. If you picked it up, have you tried any of the shades out yet? What was your favorite item out of here? I think I like pretty much everything, you know. But guys, that's it for this box. If you have not already subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so. I do post weekly, and I would love to have you as a part of my family here. I love showing you guys what's in my subscription boxes. If you enjoy watching subscription unboxings, this is the channel for you. Please consider subscribing to my channel and tapping the notification bell. It'll let you know when I next post. But guys, until my next video, bye!